So if you're one of those content creators shooting long form as well as short form content for social platforms like YouTube and Instagram, and you're looking for that perfect video camera which can shoot in 4K, is light enough to shoot in vlog style videos, as well as put it on a desktop somewhere and shoot talking head videos like this. It should have a great battery life, support for external microphones. Then you have clicked on this perfect video link. Today we are going to take a look at this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Hello friends, my name is Atman Shah and welcome back to my channel Tech with Atman. In my earlier video we have already seen the unboxing of this camera. We have already seen the accessories that come with this Creator Combo Edition. And today we are going to take a look at this camera. We are going to review the sample footages, see how the quality is in terms of audio as well as video output, and see if this is the perfect camera for your needs. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. Okay, so let's take a look at the specifications of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It has a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of taking videos up to 4K at 60 fps and slow-mo up to 4K at 120 fps. Still photos it can take approx 9.4 megapixel resolution. It has a 2-inch touchscreen as well as 3 built-in microphones and support for external USB-C microphones. And it can take micro SD cards up to 1 terabyte storage. In India, this DJI Pocket 3 is available in two different types of variants. One is the standard package with limited accessories, and the other one is the Creator Combo Edition that we are currently reviewing. Now, the standard edition in Amazon is available for $49,989, and this Creator Combo Edition is available for $69,990. Now, there is a 20,000 rupee price difference between these two, and that is because of the amount of accessories that come with the Creator Combo Edition compared to the one that comes with the standard edition. Now, in terms of the accessories with the standard edition, you get a camera, a clip-on tripod mount with a 1/4-inch connector, a lanyard cable, a USB cable, and a protective hard case. And in comparison to that, with the Creator Combo Edition, you get the camera, a clip-on extended battery with the tripod mount, a lanyard cable, a clip-on tripod mount, mini tripod, the DJI Mic 2 with a magnetic clip and a dead cat, and the magnetic wide-angle lens attachment, a USB-C cable, a protective hard case, and a carrying pouch that can hold all these accessories that come with the Creator Combo Edition. Now, this is how the camera looks when it is stored in its hard plastic case. To remove it, all you have to do is just pull it out, and this is the camera itself. As you can see, the lens is locked into a safe position so that it does not get scratched when it is in transit or when stored in your bag. To turn on the camera, all you have to do is flip up this 2-inch touchscreen and the camera will start. If you want to hit record, just press this button and it will start recording. And when you're recording something and you're not very happy with the footage, you don't have to stop recording and individually delete the recording. All you have to do is press and hold this record button and it will cancel the last video. Now, this 2-inch touchscreen here also contains all the settings and the menus to configure this camera. We will take a look at those individual settings in a separate in-depth video. And currently we will just take a look at a few sample footages and see how the camera output and the video quality is. To turn off this camera, there are two different ways. All you can do is flip this camera, this touchscreen back into place, and within 2 seconds it will turn off and the gimbal will lock into its safety position. Or you can also press and hold this record button when it is in standby mode and it will power off, but you still have to flip up this touchscreen manually before you stow it in place. By default, when you turn it on and start recording, it will record in landscape orientation in 16:9 aspect ratio. If you want to record in portrait orientation, all you have to do is flip this screen and press cancel. So now it is switched to portrait orientation, and whatever you want to record, it will record in this portrait mode. Now this active face tracking is a very useful feature of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is especially useful when you are shooting yourself without any cameraman present and you want to move around a little bit while talking, maybe point to something here and there, and the gimbal will rotate and move in such a way that your face is always in the center of the frame. When you want to switch it off, all you have to do is press on the joystick button once and it will disable the auto tracking feature. So now when I'm moving, it is not keeping me centered into place. And if I want to activate this again, I have to click on the joystick twice and it will enable the auto tracking feature. This auto tracking feature is also very useful when you are taking a selfie vlog kind of a video and you have to pay attention to maybe the road or something else, and you don't have to constantly look into your viewfinder to see whether your face is in center. But whenever you move around and not even look at the viewfinder, the gimbal will still do its job to put your face in the center of the frame. So the most value for money accessory in this creator edition combo has to be the DJI Mic 2. It comes with a detachable dead cat that you can slot into place into this 3.5mm jack and it will click. This 3.5mm jack you can also use to connect to external lavalier microphones. On this side of the microphone you can see the power button as well as a link button and a status indicator light which will show whether this mic is on or off. This comes with a clip that you can clip onto your collar as well as a magnet which you can hide this mic in from view. And on this side you get the low battery indicator light, USB-C charging port as well as the record button. Now this record button, what it does is when you're recording a video, the audio is of course stored into the onboard camera and also a local copy is stored inside this DJI Mic 2. And you can retrieve that copy in WAV format using this USB-C charging port. Now we'll look at the audio quality comparison. Currently I'm talking into the onboard microphone of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and now we will connect this microphone and see how the difference is in the audio quality. So now we will look at the difference in the audio quality between the onboard microphone of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 as well as the DJI Mic 2. So currently I'm capturing audio onto the onboard microphones of the Osmo Pocket 3 and now I'm going to turn on this DJI Mic 2 and see how the audio quality is when it is captured onto this. So I'm pressing and holding the power button. Now you can see the light has turned on. I got a haptic feedback as well as a message on the screen that the microphone is now connected. So whatever audio I'm speaking right now, it is being captured onto this external microphone. And if I want to turn this off once again, all I have to do is press and hold the power button. I got a haptic feedback as well as a message that the transmitter has been disconnected. And again, whatever I'm talking, it is being captured onto the onboard microphone. Now you can be the best judge in the difference in the audio qualities when the microphone was connected and when the microphone is currently not connected. So to summarize, by now you've already seen the video quality of this camera. You've also seen the active face tracking feature as well as the difference in audio quality when the audio is being captured onto the onboard microphone or onto the external DJI Mic 2 that comes with the Creator Combo Edition. And to conclude, if you're one of those content creators who are looking for the perfect value for money camera which can shoot high resolution 4K videos and a lightweight camera which you can carry around during your travel to shoot vlogs, or you can place it on a tripod and shoot talking head videos on a studio setup, this combination is perfect for your requirements. So if you have this kind of a budget to splurge on this kind of a camera, I would highly recommend you go for this. So friends, that's all for this video. Hope you liked this video. And if you did, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the big subscribe button down below. And see you guys in the next one.